Hello, fellow traders. I'm entering a couple trades, so I wanted to give you an idea of what my market profile looks like, what my Bitcoin forecast is. Now, I'm going to use a couple tools here to make my assessment, and I'm going to show you what I'm thinking. First off, on the daily Bitcoin chart, we've been trapped in a little bit of low volatility for the last little while, but we got a strong buy signal finally, which is very good on the daily. Now, this cone, I bolded this cone in the center of your screen. I want to show you exactly what that is here on the 4-hour chart. You can really see it clearly that we dipped below it but we came right back on the daily. So if the daily closed below that, that would have been very bad. But we were able to maintain our axiom within a cone. So I'm looking at orders in here, picking up longs towards the bottom. I personally think that we're going to be extremely bullish, and there's a couple reasons for that. One, on the weekly, we've broken above this trend line. We've broken above, and on the 12-hour, the daily, you could tell we broke above it. We retested precisely to our line, and also to our horizontal support as well. Really good area to pick up some crypto down in the 18,000 range. So where do I think we're going next? Well, I think we're going to stay within this cone for the next little bit, but because we've already retested our bullish area, we are in bullish zone here, and the reason why we're above this huge downwards trendline resistance, cutting us down time and time again. We're finally above it. We've retested it, and we're ready to get bullish. Now, there's a lot of people who might be concerned with the current market conditions. That, hey, are we dropping down to 10K, 12K? Now, of course, that's possible. Like, anything can really happen. But I want to point you towards the Bitcoin or the USDT dominance chart. Oh, and in my previous video, I walked through why this is an important chart to take a look at. Now, these trend lines are extremely important with how they relate to the crypto market. And when this chart goes down, Bitcoin goes up. The whole market goes up. So whatever you're trading, ETH, Cardano, you name it, it's going up if people are pulling out a USDT. So this is an incredibly important moment because we have this upwards trend line, and we just broke below this one right here. I'll show you. We've been bouncing, and we cracked it, and we retested. And so where I think we're headed is probably on the USDT dominance, probably down to this area here, around 7.3%. Now, if we come all the way down to 6.4%, that will mean that Bitcoin is going to see a massive pump. ETH, ADA, all your favorite coins are getting pumped if we break down below this. And on the 12-hour, on the daily chart, we got a red X right as we broke through this trend line, and that's everything that I personally need for my confidence in my decision making. What this means for our Bitcoin cone is it's tipping the scale. You want your trade to be more probable, more favorable for you. There's no guarantees, but this is a really good signal. So that's what I'm keying in on. If we go down to the 30-minute, you might not know what's happening. You might look at this, you might get lost in the low time frame. So don't get too lost in the low time frame. Remember your mindset. It's extremely logical. Every single trade, there's logic involved. And so keep it simple. Have a simple trading strategy. And what I'm looking at right here on the 30-minute chart, I got a golden cross. So got a couple long positions open, scooping coins up on the cheaper areas, and remembering to take profit on the uppers. If we break above this, I'm bull. I'm hyper long on the macro if we break above this area. I'll leave it there, guys. Traders, be sure to like the video, share it around, and if you want to pick up the indicator that's on the screen, Wolfpack Professional, here's the website right here, and you can take a look at joining the reseller program and trying it out for yourself. There's a free trial if you come to my Discord. The links are down in the description below. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.